Welcome to the Hort Greenhouse and Education Center at Denny Farrell Riverbank State Park. My name is Bethany and I am the Education Manager at the Horticultural Society of New York. Today we are going to talk all about evergreens. Evergreens are one of my favorite types of plants, although they can be a little confusing to classify. Some of our oldest and tallest trees on planet Earth are evergreens. Evergreens retain or keep their leaves all year round, unlike deciduous trees that lose their leaves. You may have seen a tree before that changed from green to yellow, red, orange, or brown. These are deciduous trees, and in the fall when the temperatures get colder, they stop absorbing sunlight to perform photosynthesis and their leaves drop off. The trees will go dormant until there's warmer temperatures and more sunlight. Sound familiar? Some animals do something similar called hibernation. They store up their energy and rest until spring is upon us. Evergreens, on the other hand, or should I say the other branch, have specific characteristics that help them survive and thrive during winter months. First, they grow very, very slowly, so they don't require a lot of energy. Although the leaves of the evergreen don't fall off seasonally like deciduous trees, their leaves will die off and fall to the ground. The tree actually uses these leaves when they fall to the ground as a natural fertilizer as they break down. Evergreen leaves don't always look like leaves that we're familiar with. Evergreen leaves actually have a waxy substance that helps to reduce evaporation. It helps the tree hold on to water and not release as much into the air. You can imagine that water is not always available in the wintertime, especially when the ground freezes. So it's important that evergreens like these ones hold on to as much water as they can. Most evergreens' leaves are needle-like in shape, kind of like this white pine seen here. But not all evergreens have needle leaves. Some of them are more flat, kind of like the holly you see here. Sometimes their leaves are also scaled, like a cedar tree. Have you ever seen a pine cone on an evergreen tree, like a pine tree? Here's some pine cones here. Not all evergreens have cones. Those trees are called conifers. Conifers simply just mean that the tree has a cone, kind of like this pine cone. Cones like these are just the way that conifers hold on to their seeds. Most plants have fruits that help them hold on to seeds. Some evergreens still have fruits to hold seeds, like the holly berry that you see on the holly tree. In our region, we typically associate evergreens with cold weather. But did you know that some tropical plants are evergreens too? Things like a palm, like a coconut palm, doesn't lose its leaves like a deciduous tree. Therefore, it is considered to be an evergreen as well. I hope you enjoyed learning about evergreens today. As a lot of the deciduous trees around us are dropping their leaves, keep your eyes out. You might start to see more evergreens.